The oo sound in English is fascinating because it can represent two distinct sounds. First, we have the long oo sound, like in moon or food. This sound is drawn out, almost musical, similar to the u in flute. Think of words like school and boot. They all share that smooth, elongated sound. On the flip side, we have the short oo sound, as in book or foot. This one is quick and punchy, much like the u in put. Words like good and look showcase this shorter, more abrupt sound. Interestingly, pronunciation can shift slightly based on regional accents, adding another layer of richness to these sounds. So whether you're savoring a delicious plate of food or diving into a good book, pay attention to how those oo sounds come alive in our language.